Hi students. So in the last lecture we have understood the searching techniques. Now you know that in binary search it requires a sorted table. So now we are going to study different types of sorting techniques that will be used for the tables in the assemblers. So when you take the different types of sorting techniques, there are mainly three types. We call them as comparative, distributive and address calculative sorts. So in the comparative sorts, so two elements will be compared at a time, and in distributive sorts the sorting is done by examining every digit in the element, whereas in the address calculation sort the key is converted into an address approximately where it belongs. So let us explain all these sorts in detail, but in this lecture we are going to explain the example of one comparative sort, that is the bubble sort. So as you are seeing, we have to study in your syllabus two comparative sorts, that is bubble sort, shell sort, and two distributive sorts, radix and radix interchange sort and address calculation sort. So all these sorts are very important for your examination, as you will get a part B question in this sorting techniques. So now already you know the simplest type of sorting technique is the interchange sort or bubble sort, which already you are familiar in the previous semesters. So we'll explain this sort by taking one example where I have got some 12 elements in a table, and I will be taking the same example for all the types of the sorts because this is the standard example given in the textbook. Even for the exams also it has come many times. So now let us first understand briefly what is this bubble sort. So in the bubble sort, already you know that it belongs to a comparative sort where the two elements will be compared which are adjacent, and the order will be changed depending upon whether you want to sort the table either in the increasing or decreasing order. So now we take this example. So now these are the number of elements. So in the first pass we'll start with the first element. So first element is compared with the next element. So we want to sort the table in the increasing order. So in the first pass 1, the highest element in the table will come down to the last position. So for that we'll compare the first element with the next element. If the first element is greater, then the order must be exchanged. Now here 19 is greater than 13. So 13 will go to the first position, 19 will come to the second. We will not write 19 because that should be compared with the third element. So now 19 is compared with 5. So 19 is greater. So 5 will go in that position. 19 will come in the third position. So 19 is less than 27. So 19 will stay in the third position. Now fourth position will be your 27. 27 is less than 1. So 1 will go up. Now 27, don't write that. You just think that 27 is there. That will be compared with 26. So 26 is less. Now 27. So 21 is less than 31. So the position is fixed in this part. So now 31 is greater than 16. So it will go down. Then 2 will come. Then 9, 11, 21 and last 31. So this is the highest element which has come to the last. So now in the next pass, so the table is again sorted like this only except the last one. So now we start with 13 comparing with 5. So 5 will go up, 13 is less than 19. So 13, now 1 is less, 1 will come, here 19 is less, so 26 is compared with 27, so 26, then 16 is less than 27, so 16, then 2 is less than 27, 9, 11, 21 and 27 and 31. So now we will go to the next pass. So again the process is repeated. So 5, 1 will come here, then 13, 19, 16, 2, 9, 11, 21, 26, 27 and 31. So still it is not sorted. Pass 4. So 1, 5, 13. Now 16 is less than 19. So 16. Now 2 is less. 9, 11. Now 19, 21, 26, 27, 31. So now pass 5. So 1 is already is there. 5, 13. Now 2 is less than 16. So 2, 9, 11. Now 16 will be fixed here. 26, 27, 31. So still it is not sorted. So pass 6. So 1, 5, 13. Sorry, 2 is less than 13. So 2, then 9, 11, 13, 16, 19, 21, 26, 27 and 31. So now pass 7. So now 1 is compared with 5, 5 is compared with 2 will come. Now 5, 9, 11, 13, 16, 19, 21, 26, 27, 31. So now in 7 passes your table is sorted. So this is the example for interchange sort. So now if you take the worst case condition, if n is the number of elements in the table, n minus 1 number of passes are required for worst case condition. That is why this sort will take more time.